OB shine juice is made up of equal parts of denatured alcohol, boiled linseed oil, and shellac. But I've always wanted to kind of test different formulas. So I'm going to try to make some with walnut oil instead of the boiled linseed oil, and pure tung oil. And we'll see what they look like on some wood. My first project was a captive ring goblet, which I finished with OB shine juice. I'll leave a link in the description. In this video I replaced the boiled linseed oil with tung oil and walnut oil to see what effect, if any, that would have on the finish. If you enjoy my videos, now would be a good time to like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy my videos, leave a comment below, tell me what I can do better. Okay, first you run out of memory card, then you run out of battery. And I've got almost a double. Okay, so it's not exactly smooth all the way down, not exactly the same size. Got a lot of vibration there in the middle. I'm sure somebody on the mighty YouTube will know why. Time to do some sanding. I'm sure you don't want to watch all this. Hand sanding with 60 grit. Grit. You get the point. 600 grit. Okay, there's some gouges in it, but that ought to be good enough to tell us how the different finishes work. Okay, first I'm going to put some shellac-based sanding sealer on that I made. Yeah, probably can't read it. Maybe, just maybe, I should find a different container or a different method of application to avoid spilling on the floor, dripping all over the lathe bed. Just saying. Okay, I'll give that a moment or two to dry, and then come back and denub it and sand a little bit more. Okay, let's let that dry, and then try our finishes. Okay, I've got 3 marks on here. One will be regular shine juice with walnut oil, shine juice with tung oil, and this will be just sanding sealer. Yeah, well, guess what? That alcohol is taking the ink off. Well, maybe I should have thought that out a little better. Okay, let's go with just regular OB shine juice. Aubergine juice with walnut oil. Aubergine juice with tung oil. Okay, time to let those dry. The boiled linseed oil certainly looks a little bit more yellow, but it might just be the lighting. Oh, Ted. What a mess. We'll come back later. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So maybe you can see, I don't know if you can see the difference on the camera or not, but this is the original aubergine juice. This is with walnut oil. And this one here is with the tung oil. I guess I'll just leave that out and see how those finishes last, if there's any difference in there. Oops, ran out of memory card.